suggestions on which topic you guys want me to talk about. It could be anything. Go ahead and comment below, and I'll feature you on my next video, just like how Chronatic is featured. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. How can I start a YouTube channel? I'm going to give you guys all the tips and everything on how to start one. And I do understand this video is pretty long, 5-6 minutes. If you're lazy like me, please don't leave, just stay so you guys can listen to all the information you need. I'm a lazy ass person as well. I hate watching long videos, but believe me guys, at the end it's well worth it. Now, the first tip I can give you guys about starting a YouTube channel is having a unique set username. What I mean by this is make sure your username does not contain that many numbers and all the like weird capitalizations or anything. For an example, make your username unique. Do not make it like X Call of Duty player 66249 AK-47. You're not gonna remember that. It's gonna be really hard, and when people look you up, they're just gonna be dead on confused. Instead, make something, you know, unique. Like for an example, Barbarian Blunts. That name go hella hard, but you guys just use a unique name. You know, I'm not trying to encourage weed or anything, but I'm just saying have a set awesome username. And yeah, the second tip I can give you guys is really good video quality. What this means is make sure your quality on your videos is very good. For an example, for gaming, even if you're not a gamer, it's still fine. I respect that. If you have other videos to do like in real life or pranks and all that such videos, make sure your guys' videos are really good quality. I do understand you guys do need software for making videos, rendering, and all that stuff. If you guys check the description below, I set 2 links in the description so you guys can watch those 2 videos on how to get free software without paying a cent. So that's what you guys are going to need for your YouTube channel, is some software. Now, the third tip you guys are going to need is really good audio in your videos. For an example, make sure when you guys are making videos, it could be a vlog or gaming, whatever you guys use, and if you guys are going to talk in your videos, you gotta make sure you have a really good audio. I do understand a lot of you guys don't have money, but what I did was when I first started my YouTube channel, I got like a $10 mic, $10, $15 webcam at Walmart just to start off, and hey, that's still considered pretty good, I guess. Right now, you guys can hear my mic. It's a Snowball mic. They're about $60. They're really cool and good. And yeah, and I'm really sorry if you guys hear fan noises in the background. I'm rendering a video at the moment, so my apologies. And yeah, you're gonna make sure you need good audio quality. Now, another tip I can give you guys is be yourself. Believe me, you guys have to be yourself when you make YouTube videos. I know there's people out there, they're a completely different person when they're in front of the camera. They act different, they talk different. I do understand people are shy. When I first did my YouTube video, I kept fucking up, so I had to redo my video every damn 10 minutes, and it was just irritating. But eventually, you guys are gonna fit in, and you guys are gonna, it's gonna be a second nature, you know? And make sure you guys, when you do videos, you know what to do, like, and make sure your videos, people are gonna want to look it up. For an example, do not do YouTube videos like you chasing your cat around. I can guarantee you, no one's gonna go on YouTube and just look that up and waste their time. Instead, do something useful. For an example, if you guys do gaming videos, people will look that up. Battlefield 4 gameplay, Minecraft tutorials, all that stuff, people will look up. You have to make videos people are gonna want to watch. Pranks is also a very good one. People love pranking. You guys can do prank calls, all that stuff. Just make sure your video is well worth it, and ask yourself, is my video worth watching? Will people look it up? That's the main key goal you guys are gonna have to do and know. And yeah, now another tip I have to give you guys is when you start your YouTube channel, do not have any copyright in your videos. What this means is don't steal other people's YouTube videos, and especially do not use any sort of music on your videos unless you have full permission. So if you slap like a E40 or Eminem song on your montage, you guys could get in trouble. It all depends, so just be careful. And if you guys want to do Battlefield or Call of Duty gameplay, if you guys want to do a gaming one, make sure you have commentary on your videos, and try not to have any cutscenes from campaign. And yeah, now other people that just do real life videos, you guys still do not use any copyright music on there. And yeah, those are some basic tips I can give you guys. If you need help, please comment below. I'm not lying. you guys just comment below. I will read your comments. You guys, if I don't reply, just send me a PM on YouTube. If you guys need any more tips, if you need help setting up software, just let me know. I don't mind helping my fans out. You guys are like family. I care for each and every one of you. So if you guys need any help or tips, go ahead and just PM me or add my Skype correct code. And yeah, if you play Battlefield 4, go ahead and add Croatia 1. My in-game name will be on the description as well, so you guys can go ahead and play Battlefield 4 with me. And yeah, just have fun. And also, another tip I have to give you guys before this video ends is please upload regularly. I've seen people, when they do YouTube videos, they upload maybe 1 or 2, they start uploading really good, then they stop for a few months. If you want to become a YouTuber, it's hard work. You have to upload constantly, at least once a week. That's a main goal you guys have to do. But I hope these tips helped for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment below and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.